Hello and welcome to our video. I'm Rick Merikin, Marketing Manager here at Intercede, and I'm sitting here with Chief Product Officer Alan Story. So Alan, could you give us a bit more information about MyID Professional?
Sure. So MyID Professional is a software solution designed to simplify the issuance and management of digital identities. It allows organisations to replace insecure passwords with the strongest form of authentication, which is a secure device, such as a smart card or USB token, and a PKI certificate.
And how does MyID Professional work?
So it provides an easy-to-use interface for operators to issue and manage credentials to end users. And it also provides a simple self-service interface so end users can manage their own credentials at their desktop. For example, unlock them should they become locked, or connect updates into their environment. And it really allows organisations to replace that insecure password with a simple, secure device and PIN for network logon, cloud access, or signing secure emails.
And now we're just going to cut to a brief video showing you a demo of the product in action. So Alan, if you could just explain what's going on.
Sure. Here we have an operator logging on to MyID Professional. They insert their security device, enter their PIN, so we have a signed logon to the system. They're then presented with the operator desktop, which shows them a list of operations they can perform, such as requesting cards and viewing people. Now they're going to request credentials for a new user. So first of all, they find the person in the directory they're looking for, so there's no rekeying of information here. Then they request what type of credentials do I want to issue for this particular user. You can have different profiles with different policies for different people. Here's the end user collecting credentials at their own desktop. So they're informed their credentials are ready for collection. The self-service app launches, which walks them through collecting. The end user now authenticates themselves to the system, in this case with security questions, but there are many other options there. MyID Professional then asks the user to set their PIN. This is based on a PIN policy that you can define centrally. We then communicate with a secure device, generate a private key on the device and a public key, take the public key off the device, send it to MyID. MyID communicates with the certificate services to retrieve the certificate and write it back down to the device. So that private key never leaves that secure device. We can also at this point recover encryption certificates and write them down to the device if this is being used for secure email or file encryption. Now the device is ready for use. Now the user has their credentials, they can be used for logging onto the corporate network, connecting to secure Wi-Fi, VPN, remote access, accessing cloud resources such as Office 365, and signing and encrypting email.
So in the demo you just ran through, it looks really simple, Alan.
Yep.
Is it easy for people to deploy?
Absolutely. So it comes with out-of-the-box connectors to Microsoft Active Directory, certificate services, hardware security modules for protecting sensitive data, and a wide range of support for smart cards and USB tokens from leading vendors.
Thank you, Alan, and thank you for watching our video. You can find out more about MyID Professional on our website at intercede.com.